Reggae artist Dre Island has released new music from his upcoming album. The track dubbed All Night was released over the weekend and has been getting rave reviews from music lovers.
Honey, there's so much things to do right now, I gotta go. Plus I gotta roll another split before I touch the road.
The song will be featured on Dre Island's forthcoming album titled High Times. The compilation will feature 8 tracks and is slated for release June 3. High Times will be a follow-up to his 2020 debut project Now I Rise. Dre Island will celebrate his album release on June 3, and then on June 5 he's slated to perform in Brooklyn at Prospect Park's Boathouse and Upton Center as part of I Am Caribbean special event series celebrating Caribbean American Heritage Month. Dre Island is then scheduled to kick off his High Times Summer Tour, which is slated to take place in cities in the United States throughout July and August. Jamaican cricketer and recording artist Chris Gayle, popularly known as Universe Boss, has joined forces with upcoming artist Chavez on a track dubbed Gimme Your Love. The love song showcases the artist's versatility, while Chris Gayle adds his usual flair and lyrical potency. In an E-Prime exclusive, the Universe Boss shared details on working with the artist.
It's actually a Gary G project. He reached out to me and said he want me on the track with Chavez, and I didn't hesitate one bit. So I run up the Triple Century Records crew, Camara Flavor, Briscoe Lyrical, and then we put our lyrics together, we vibed it in the studio, and we recorded it straight away.
Gimme Your Love will be featured on Tropical House Cruise to Jamaica Asian Edition. This marks the 5th installment of the compilation. It follows a Reggae Collector's Edition, which was headlined by Ghanaian artist Shatta Wale. The Tropical House Cruise to Jamaica Asian Edition is slated for release July 29. A Fulton County judge has denied releasing rapper Gunna on bond following his arrest. The rapper was denied bond when he appeared in court on Monday. The prosecutors claim that the rapper is a documented gang member and that he serves the gang in a command role. Gunna had, however, offered the court conditions of his bond, including $750,000, house arrest with electronic monitoring, forfeiture of 3 properties, and that his parents would also put up their homes to secure his release. However, the prosecutor argued against his bond being granted, noting that Gunna's release posed a significant risk to witnesses in the case, as he played an important role in the alleged criminal enterprise. The judge also sided with the prosecution that should the rapper be released, he might endanger witnesses. Gunna is facing one charge of conspiring to violate the RICO Act in a massive 56-count indictment involving fellow rapper Young Thug and 26 other persons. His trial date has been set for January 9 in 2023. Meanwhile, rapper Young Thug also appeared in court on Monday. The judge delayed a ruling on bond for him. This is the second bond hearing, and his attorney moved for an emergency bond motion, alleging that the rapper is being held in inhumane conditions. Young Thug will now reappear in court on June 2. His hearing was delayed due to a conflict of interest issue raised by the prosecution. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.